Breaking news coming in. West Bengal Governor M.K. Narayan has slammed the Mamata Banerjee government over the Birbhum gang rape case. The governor said that the TMC government has been unable to prevent such atrocious incidents from taking place. The governor said that such shameful incidents should not be seen with any political links after reports that the accused were linked to the ruling TMC. The governor also claimed that the Mamata government often indulges in taking drastic action after initial inaction.
Already given my verdict, corporal punishment.
One more question. You talked about the Salishi Sabha. What is your reaction to the Salishi Sabha in the village level?
I am totally against this kind of thing. There's only one law and one justice.
Are you satisfied with the steps taken by the government?
Well, as good as it is. The most important thing is to prevent it. We haven't managed to prevent it, but after that's over, I think action has been taken.
Sir, there are many Trinamool names also emerging as involved in this.
These are all human beings. It's nothing to do with parties. I think these are all individuals.
Thank you, sir.
Well, my colleague Indrajit Kundu now joins me with more on the story. Indrajit, where the governor there clearly slamming the chief minister for failing to prevent such crimes against women. Is the TMC likely to be responding? Is the TMC likely to be taking any further action in this case? What are you hearing?
Well, the TMC is actually on the damage control mode at this point in time. Right. Yesterday, after the Supreme Court took cognizance of the entire matter and asked us to visit the place and file a report. Since then, we have been seeing, a lot of action as far as the village is concerned. Teams from the Ministry of Social Welfare visited it. The minister herself visited the victim twice, last night and this morning itself. So the TMC is definitely in a damage control mode. The SP has been removed and high officials of the police, the DIG, the IGR, the new SP did visit the place yesterday. So it would be interesting to see how the Trinamool Congress reacts to this statement from the governor. But coming as it is, the governor has clearly stated his displeasure with the way the Trinamool government has handled cases of sexual violence against women. Right. And he clearly states that prevention is better than cure, and the government has clearly failed in preventing such incidents.
Well, Indrajit, thank you so much for joining me. With that update, clearly we'll have to wait and see what the TMC government in fact says in its response to that attack by the West Bengal governor. Meanwhile, Brinda Karath has responded to this particular case. Let's listen into what she had to say.